GESPASA High Flow Meters M. High precision meters in measurement for mobile or static installations. Ideal for use in cargo centers, mining, and port facilities. Robust and reliable for extensive use. 1.5-inch versions, up to 6 inches for diesel, gasoline, LPG, or AdBlue. Available in different formats. Meter alone or with degasser and prefilter. The prefilter will protect the meter from solid impurities that can damage its correct operation. With preselection and automatic stop, mechanical or electronic. Integrated ticket printer or external printer connected to the electronic controller. Signal output for connection to external display. Electronic display with or without solenoid valve for 2-stage stop. Integrated controller to restrict use to authorized personnel and transmit supply data to a database. You can check the supplies made from any PC with an internet connection or from your phone. We have a version for LPG or in stainless steel for AdBlue or compatible liquids. The GESPASA M series will provide you with maximum precision in measuring at large flows. All meters are delivered fully calibrated. Request your calibration certificate. We can only supply you with the meter or the assembly with the pump and accessories that you need, such as hose reel, hoses, valves, and supply gun. GESPASA meters, maximum reliability, total control.
GESPASA, fluid technology.